making?
Waffle.
Waffles. You have the flour here? Can you put the sugar?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you put the vanilla.
What are you saying?
That one.
That?
Yeah.
That?
The vanilla, yeah, that one. And then you put the baking powder.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, mix, mix, mix. You can put the butter.
Okay. The valley warm.
The warm.
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Put the butter. Oh.
Mommy?
Mix. Put the egg.
Okay. Mommy.
Also the milk.
Okay. The ikaw.
That is not warm. It's a cold milk. Oh.
Daddy.
And then you mixed it, everything.
Okay.
Mix, 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 mix. Okay. Sekalian pa.
Ay, palit.
Malilit. So, your son. Lithar.
Bye.
Oh, nakalimutan ko lagyan ng oil yung yung waffle pan. So, nagdikit siya. Mayroon pa, sabi ni Kimberly, Mama, yung isa na andun pa. Hindi perfect ang pagkakaluto, pero masarap siya. Nagawa tayo ulit. Kasi nagre-reklamo yung babaita. Sabi niya, Mama, it's not perfect and it's not pretty. So, hindi pwedeng masarap lang sa pagkain. Kailangan pretty. Ano tayong maarting anak. Ay, tanggal na naman. Paulit na naman niya sa akin to. Ay, nako.